Please subscribe and share this video with your friends. Hi everyone, it's Marnie Batista from Dating with Dignity, and I am here, video number 2. I want to wake you the heck up about why you're single. Why still? I mean, come on, you've got a great job, you're making money, decent money, maybe even awesome money, you're attractive enough, you work out, you know, maybe there's something else that you don't know about why you're still single. So here we go. Video number 2. Well, you know, last time we talked about you think love is just going to happen while you're sort of doing your life, working, you know, hanging out with your friends and making it seem like it's okay. Now, here's another belief that it's so simple, and I kind of joke about it sometimes, but I've decided it's actually not funny. And this one is, you know what? There are really no good men where I live. And I am telling you, ladies, I work with women all over the world, whether they live in Abu Dhabi or Dubai or Fargo or Omaha or Los Angeles or New York. Every single woman says, you know what? It's just really hard to meet good guys where I live. It's just the truth. It's a fact. And you know what? I even go out and I hear matchmakers talking about all their statistics and their facts. And yes, that may be true. There may be more men and less women, or more women and less men. But the bottom line is, when you are in that top 10% of all the daters out there, 10% better than 90% of the peeps, guess what? You meet the other 10%. So here's the thing. I want to tell you, this is just, it's sort of an excuse. We call them limiting beliefs, but they're limiting your lifestyle. So this is the question. How would you be different? What would you do differently if in your core you believe that there were actually good men everywhere? And here's the kicker. You're just not noticing them because you're all in your head about work and your life. You're not noticing them smiling at you. They're not noticing you looking at them. They're just, nothing is happening. In fact, I went out with a client and we were talking and I said, hey, you know, this guy is totally looking at you. And she said, no, he's not. And I said, yes, he is. And she was so oblivious to the fact what was going on. It was amazing. So sometimes we're so up in our head that we don't even realize what's going on. Now, here's the other thing, and we talked about this in the last video. Often, there's an unconscious reason why you want to hold on to this belief. And sometimes it's because you want to be right. Because what happens if you're right? Then that's the reason why you're single. It's not your fault. And if you're one of those perfectionists, you beat yourself up, you always do everything really well, then you kind of have a convenient excuse. So, homework time. I want you to write down, what would it look like? What would I do differently? How would I be in the world differently if I actually believed that there were good, emotionally available men around me all the time? Now, when you're in that more positive energy, and we do a lot of other work about I'm not enough and being in your masculine, all of a sudden you actually are in that 10%, and not only do you notice them, but the good guys are actually everywhere. I've seen this work with my clients again and again, and they end up getting into long-term relationships or getting married. So if you take responsibility for this, then you could have an amazing outcome. So check it out. And final little extra challenge, I want you to try just for one day. I want you to try and have 10 interactions with someone. Different people, of course, smiling, just noticing them, being aware of your space. You don't even have to have a conversation. 10 different men. It doesn't have to be men you're even interested in. I want you to just wake up for 24 hours and start noticing and see what happens. See what happens. I can't wait to hear. So send me a little email. It's marnie@datingwithdignity.com and let me know what happens. 10 interactions, 24 hours, and how does it feel to be out in the world with a different belief that there are good men everywhere? I bet they will start to see you, and you will start to see them. Okay, be in touch. See you next time. The next video is going to knock your socks off because it's something you might not even realize is sabotaging your chances to have a good go at love. All right, talk soon. Bye.